For our grave hat, we'll be using our ghost that we made earlier, so if you want to know how to make this ghost, you'll have to go watch the ghost thing. I've got a fashion toffee 260 with about 2 inches left uninflated on the end. A clear with about 3 or 4 inches uninflated on the end. We're not even going to use all of that. Then I've also got a gray 260. All of these are 260s, obviously. We're going to start with our gray. What you want to do is twist a little small, a little less than a ½ inch bubble on the end, and make that into a pinch twist. Then you're going to make, that's where it gets tricky. Let's make that into a pinch twist. You have to hang on to that sometimes. Then we're going to make a little small bubble, a little less than a ½ inch. Then another small ½ inch bubble, and make that a pinch twist. So you've got a pinch twist, a small bubble, and a pinch twist there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make a loop that goes up about 3 or 4 inches. And then what it's doing is starting at this pinch twist where we just finished off, is going to go up and come down and attach into this other pinch twist that we started with. Now after that, you're going to make a little bitty small, little less than a ½ inch bubble. Another small bubble, and make that a pinch twist as well. And then what you want to do is you're going to wrap this all the way over the top of that loop till it comes on even with the other side here, and twist there. And you can let go of that for a second. Make another ½ inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, and then a little bitty small ½ inch bubble there. And then we're going to take this, and where we came around the measure to this other side here, we're going to twist it into this pinch twist here. And what we're making is a tombstone. So once you've got that, we're going to pop this excess off. We no longer need it. Secure that in around that pinch twist there. There's our tombstone. Now we're going to take our fashion toffee. You can use any brown that you like. I just thought the fashion toffee would show up against this black background really well. Now what you want to do here is we're going to take our nozzle and twist it in one of these 2 outer pinch twists, doesn't matter which one. This is going to be a graveyard hat. There's our tombstone. So what you'll do with this is you'll measure their head, go all the way around till it comes back so that their head will be fitting in this here. So you come to this other pinch twist on the opposite side, and then twist it into that pinch twist there. And again, any excess that you have, simply pop it off and just twist that in around that pinch twist really good. So what we have so far is just a hat with a tombstone on the back of it. Now we're going to take our diamond clear, and we only need about 8 or 12 inches of it, you know, somewhere in that range. I'm going to go with that's what, about 12 inches. Pop off the excess. And this is the support for our ghost. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the ends and into either one of these 2 pinch twists in the back. It really doesn't matter. You can even go to one of the side ones if you like. I'm going to twist it into one of these pinch twists here to secure it in place. And then it's going to come up in the front here. And you may have to put a little pinch twist to force it to stick up. So let's put a little pinch twist there. So we want this to kind of stick up a little bit. And I'm going to kind of give it a little bit of shape. And then we're going to come up to this end here, and we're going to take our ghost, and at this pinch twist under his arms, twist that onto him there. And now you've got a ghost flying up out of a grave. That's going to be a hat on someone's head. And once it's on their head, that'll help push this up. Their head will be in there. There you go.